This is a demonstration of the Quickdraw Weaving program's profile drawing on the grid using the Weaving Project Worksheet's Grid Size Calculator tab. When you work in Quickdraw, the physical size of an individual element on the grid is kind of abstract. If I think about the size of a project I want to weave, I need to know a little bit more information about how large these threads are going to be. So what the spreadsheet is going to ask for is how many threads per block, the set, and the desired width, so I know the size of the boxes to weave. So when I ask for threading, for example, if I go to summer and winter, I go to the 2-4, if I ask for columns, it would now tell me that each block is going to be 6 threads wide and 12 threads. You'll notice that's large and small threads. So for sake of discussion here, let me call that 8 since they're different size threads. So I will then go ahead and enter the warp threads per block is 6. Using the keyboard and the mouse to identify picks per block would be 8. And say I'm going to weave this at 20 ends per inch both ways. I want a 10-inch piece. It's a 12-inch width, or yeah, an 8-inch height. We'll make it 8 by 10. So it's now told me I need 33 blocks wide by 20 blocks high. The calculations in the metric side are exactly the same. It's just the question of the units you want to try and deal with. So for convenience, both tabs are there. So if I want to actually use the 33 by 20 grid, I go back over to the grid. Make this a little bit bigger. I can have, when I turn the framing on, so now that gives me the box. Now when I draw inside that box, and if I ask for a fill tool, for example, I could now theoretically the outside shell there should give me a box of the desired 8 by 10 dimensions. And that is the purpose for the grid size calculator and how to get real world units out of the grid. Thank you.